Good morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. We are live on Lunar Beaches Crypto. I am David. Name is right there. You can find me on the X at Lunar Beaches. You can find me in the Discord. Link in the description. You can find me on prediction videos on Piper Academy. Link in the description. You can find me as a guest on Alex Crypto on one of his lives. Link in the description. Good morning. Did you see the Solana network is down? I was just going to do TA today. That's Wait. Is it down or did they shut it down? Which one is it? Oh boy. Let's go ahead and get into it. Fear and greed index is the same as it was yesterday, so who cares? Solana network is down, so we're just going to go ahead and go over to Twitter. Yeah, so TA Tuesdays. I want to start doing just like TA on Tuesdays. That's basically it. Maybe hit like a small news story, but outside of that, thank you, Justin, as always. Thank you for sharing. What was I talking about? Sorry. Look, see, I lost it. So let's see. Oh yeah, I want to start doing TA on Tuesdays. Just because I want people to learn how to trade. You know, if that's something you want to learn how to do, I want to teach you how to do it. Good morning, Tony Soprano. Do your thing. Nothing to see here. Yeah, I want to start doing some TA on Tuesdays. So, like, dedicate the whole show to that. That does look cool. Okay, so the chat is popping up on there. So, that's cool. I like it. I can dig it. Let's see. Solana network has stopped processing transactions due to an outage. So it says Solana network is down. Bullish. I mean, I guess if you're looking at it from the stance that it's being used heavily, then yeah, sure. Outside of that, I'm looking at it as a decentralized network that dies all the time, that goes down all the time. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Why do we care about Solana when there's so many other cryptos that are just as fast and cheap and efficient? I don't understand. I know it's got a lot of VC capital money behind it. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And hit that notification bell to be notified for whenever I create new content when I go live. I was told that I need to not put a lot of space between my words. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm trying to not look at myself in the camera on the screen and look at you guys. That's something else I'm still not getting used to. You know, my dad and I have a podcast that we do every Wednesday night. And not live or anything, but even on that one, it's like hey, you need to look at the camera. It's like, I can't help but look at myself, you know? Hey self. All right. So Solana network is down. It's been 48 minutes without blocks of transactions on Solana. Solana mainnet beta is experiencing a performance degradation. Block progression is current. Core developers or core engineers and validators are actively investigating. Cool. That's just funny to me. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I do want to learn to trade. All right. We'll get into it. We'll get to it. Let's see. All right. Let's see. What are we doing? I saw something. Someone was arrested from Terra Labs, and he like snitched or something on Do Kwon, or like something. I don't know. I did see this headline. So JP Morgan warns of increased risk of crypto market due to Tether's lack of regulatory compliance and transparency. So JP Morgan, as typical, they warned of a increased risk for the crypto market resulting from Tether's lack of regulatory compliance and transparency. Imagine that. And then Tether said, we've always worked closely with global regulators to educate them on the technology and provide, you can't even see it, and provide, where am I? We've always worked closely with the global regulators to educate them on the technology and provide guidance on how they must think about it, said the Tether executive. So Tether's market domination may be a negative for competitors, including those in the banking industry, for success, but it's never been a negative for the markets that need us the most. That's a really weird comment. The markets that need us the most. You know what I mean? They need us. They need us because we prop up this whole thing. You know what I mean? Do you see what I'm getting at? And y'all got ETF money in here now? What? Seems like the whole crypto world is falling apart. All right, guys. It's going to be okay. Let's go ahead and go to that display one. Full screen. Why did I say it like that? The display one. It's a good morning. Good morning. So we're basically where we are, where we started off yesterday on our charts. I mean, we are exactly just about where we were yesterday. Hold on, first I got to check something. Why am I getting this? Why is this market dynamics on here? I'm really confused because this stuff was not on my chart last night. I had it off of here for a reason. Like, I wanted some charts with it, some charts without it. Oh my goodness. All right, this is what I want. Get rid of this. Okay. We're just going to focus on the Asia. What did we do overnight? Before I woke up. Oh, what did London do? Was Asia closed? Asia was closed and immediately took out the high. That's interesting. Okay. So, something that I was going over last night. I was up until midnight. That's right. I was up. I only got 5 hours of sleep, and probably not even that, because my son was in the bed. So that's fun. I couldn't go to sleep for nothing once I got in the bed at midnight. Yeah, and then I woke up at 5 o'clock. 5 hours later. Cool. Baby Yoda. All right. So, anyways, I was doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid. Just so you guys know, this is ICT kill zone sessions and indices. So this is just an indicator that shows you sessions, the highs and the lows of those sessions, and the kill zones, quote unquote, of those sessions. And I had to move the New York one back an hour or 30 minutes. See, it didn't even save these. This is bogus, bro. Why are you not saving my stuff? Why are you being oh, I know what it is. I closed the TradingView app. I closed the app on my desktop. So it's refresh everything. Shouldn't done that. All right. The best shorts are above New York Open. The best longs are below New York Open. So which one are we going to go for? Well, in order for us to get into that, we're going to have to Sniper's Nightmare. Sorry. Sniper's Nightmare. Good morning. He says, good morning, all. Good morning, buddy. Now, I'm supposed to have a chat, YouTube chat. Why is it? Did it pop up when you said something? Somebody say something. Y'all start talking. I want to see something. I want to see something. I'm supposed to have a chat right here. Pop up. It's supposed to pop up right here. Tony says sniper. It's supposed to be a chat. Oh, it's itty bitty. It's itty bitty. No wonder I can't see it. I'm gonna have to unlock it. Y'all just gotta be y'all just can't say crazy things, okay? Just don't say crazy things or you're being booted. I'm gonna have Justin get on you guys, okay? But speaking of Justin and Sniper's Nightmare, you know what, you guys, let me do something real quick. I don't have a sword, but I do have the power. Maybe if I maybe if I go to YouTube. So we're going to the Moonski. Yo, Sniper. Sorry, I'm trying to do something real quick. Oh, look at that. Crazy things. Oh, you took it literally, you crazy kid. You crazy kid. Look, I'm not trying to go live right now. Okay, I'm already live. I'm just trying to look at the chat. So I can come over here. I can go to Sniper. Stop it. By the way, welcome to the channel. 234 subscribers. We're going to the Moonski. That's what I was talking about. We're going to the Moonski. Whoa. Double time. It's like Inception. Watch. When it starts loading, look, when it stops loading, it's going to be like Inception. It's going to be like over and over and over and over again. It's going to look crazy. Add as moderator. Standard moderator? I never know which one to do. Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. Alright, so Mr. Sniper, you are now a moderator, and since you have been here almost every morning now, Mr. Tony Soprano, you are now a moderator. There you go. Congratulations. It's not a sword, but you do get this cool Inception thing going on here, right? Congratulations. You are all moderators. You did it. You did it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at Asia, okay? So this is what I was looking at last night. This is what I want to go over, and this is going to be it, okay? So we are going to be looking at the times. We're going to be looking at the 5 and the 15-minute charts. Let's go ahead and go down to the 5, and let's just go to last week's price action on Bitcoin. So we're just going to look at Bitcoin. Unless you guys put something else in the chat, we're just going to go over Bitcoin. I have about 17 minutes to really dig into this, so that is what we're going to do. Yeah. Sniper said, "Thanks for the wrench." You're welcome, man. You're welcome. It's all love, brother. You've been in my Discord basically ever since you found out about it. So, you know, you had your little vacation hiatus, and yeah. So, and Tony Soprano has been showing up. So, and he's an OG as well. So, you know what? Let's give some wrenches. I don't even care. Just give some wrenches. Y'all just make sure people are good. I don't have a Streamlabs bot yet. I don't know if I'm gonna have one. I probably should. I probably should have one, but we'll figure it out. So what I want to see, let's get rid of. Let me go ahead and get rid of New York for now. Okay, because I just want to look at Asia, and I want to look at the time, which will be 7:30 to 10:30, and this is Eastern Standard Time. So the New York time, 7:30 to 10:30. So I want to look at that time in particular. I joined Discord yesterday. This old man is still trying to dig out the Discord, waiting on things to settle, then be looking for more plays. Heck yeah. All right, so that's pretty cool. That just pops up on the screen right there. Anyway, all right, so we've got the Asia range here. So this is a Monday. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Friday. I'm going to go to the previous Friday, and I'm going to mark off the low, because that's the previous day. So I want to do the previous day low and whatever the high was before that next Asia session on Friday, which is going to be this one right here. So that is, the yellow lines are going to be my previous daily highs and lows. Okay. Then I'm going to go, now I'm doing this because I want to show you how to do this. I want to give you something that you can use without having to even purchase a TradingView membership. Okay. That, like, not even a basic one. You don't even need a basic one. Let's go to the weekly, and we're doing the previous week. So this will just make this a lot easier. Of course, FEMAX doesn't have all the data, but it's fine. It is fine. All right, so I'm going to go to, where's the previous week low? This is just getting out of hand. Was it this? Oh yeah, because I'm trading on this week. This is the previous week, so I need to go here and I need to go here. So previous week low and high. I'm going to change these to blue, and I'm going to dash them. So we know that the blue dashes are our weekly highs and lows, and the yellow dashes are our daily highs and lows. So now we can go down into, let's go down to the 15-minute, and we are going to go to the previous week. Here we go. We're going to go to Monday. All right. So we want to see how many times this plays out and how effective it is. All right. So first thing we do, during the 7:30 to 10:30 hours, that window, we sweep the lows of the Asia range, and then we get a market structure shift. Well, let's go ahead. And what is a market structure shift? So essentially this. Okay, that's a market structure shift. When you see price come down and come up and create a new higher low and a new high, and we break that high, market structure shift. I often would prefer for price to get above this high and then get my pullback and then go long. Okay. But if you're paying attention, you can catch these also. Now, what I want to get into is, what I want to see is, I want to see, let's see if there's any, what's like impulsive moves that leave a fair value gap. So what I'm looking for is an impulsive move that's taking out that low and leaves a fair value gap or an order block, or taps a previous order block, something of the sort. So let's see if we can find one. So coming down in here, what I want to look for is, like I said, a fair value gap. Here's a big move down right here. So see this big candle right here? It almost takes out 3 candles, and it creates a fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a rectangle on there, and I'm going to wait until I get a close above that fair value gap. Now, this one comes all the way up here. That is something that I would still consider entering so long as we have this high up here, okay? This high is last week's high. So that is going to be my target. My target is going to be, that is where I think, especially when we see a J swing like this, where we have the consolidation, then we have the distribution, and then we have manipulation to the upside. So you'll see this over and over and over and over again in the charts. Everybody sees it over and over and over again. They just either don't realize it or they don't know quite how to pick it out. But yeah, we get a consolidation, you get a consolidation, and then you get distribution, and then you get manipulation, or some order of that. But we get that close. Now this is on the 10-minute. So is there anything on the 5-minute that that could have made it to where I helped me get in earlier? I meant to lock these. Lock your verticals, lock your fibs. But this happens again and again and again and again and again and again. This whole J swings happen again and again and again. Judas swings. Also, order blocks. Do not count them unless they have taken out a significant low, okay? So, in this instance, we're going to say this one took out the significant low. And when we say order block, if we're only going to be doing the significant lows, then when we say order block, that means we're going to treat them as support on the lows. If they took out a high and created an order block, then we'll consider that resistance. This one, let's go to the 15-minute. I need one that is clearly defined. We've got to have, it's got to be clear to us what the market is doing, or we're not taking the trade. Okay? It's got to be clear what we're doing, or we're not taking the trade. Look at this. Look at all this price action here. Any questions on trading, just ask in a Discord main chat, and when I see, I will answer if I can. Yeah, also, join the Discord. We got some awesome traders in there that are more than willing to help, like myself and Sniper's Nightmare. Yeah, we are more than willing to help anybody that has questions and anybody that is willing to learn and listen. So put in the work. We'll be there for you. Okay? But yeah, anyways, the idea is we want to see a low or a high taken out within this time window. And if we get that, we want to make a play off of that. And we want to run it for the next, to the next like external liquidity, which is either a previous daily low or high, a previous weekly low or high, high or low. Basically, that's it. Previous day high, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, I can barely breathe. So let's go ahead and just go to the next Wednesday. So we can see how this trade, once we start understanding this, we can see how maybe we could take this, we get that candle body close above this order block here, and then we can go long, and then we target the last week's high. And there's a whole 2%. Now I like to do 2 to 1. This is up to, or 3 to 1. This is up to your discretion. Your risk management is up to you. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. I'm just showing you ways that I have learned how to trade and this is one of them. And this is one that I'm probably going to be sticking to as long as it continues to do what I want it to do. So I mean, 1.96%, nothing to say. Come on, guys, that's beautiful. Asia, let's take a look at 7:30. Oh snap! So the move happened before 7:30 and 10:30. All right. So what do we do in this situation? Do we take a trade? We got it before we wanted to get it. This one's kind of this one's kind of tricky because I'm like, I could see it. I could see it happening. We took out the high, we come down, we take out the low of the Asia, and then we trickle back up, and then in the PM session, which we will get to, that is when we see the move up to take out, to sweep the highs, and probably hit an order block. Let's check. What does this price come up to? Not really an order block, is there? Does it even get up to this 5-minute wick? It does not. Does not get up to the 5-minute wick. A lot of people will say, well, just put a fib on it, and then we can just short from the highs of the optimal trade entry. Okay. Sure, that works. But key point is the time in which this move is happening and taking out the PM or the AM session highs. Okay, so it takes out the AM session highs, and then we get a market structure shift. So this market structure shift, come down, take out this low. Okay, then we move back up, hit that 618, and then it's down to the downside we go. So if I'm entering this trade and I'm going short, and I'm going short from the 618, I would be, that's a long, I would be aiming for the Asia low, or this low. Okay, I would be aiming for this low, and then do my risk to reward, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, however you want to do it, whatever you think, whatever works best for you and your strategy and how you want to use this, if you want to use this at all. So again, this happens before 7:30, but the, what do you call it? The market structure shift happens after 7:30. Let's see. So what I'm looking for is the displacement or the impulse move. Let's move. Let's go. I'm trying to find it. Trying to find it. And I always see, this is what I gotta get better at. And I'm just being honest. This is what I gotta get better at. I've got to. So I said something about this. How do I know? Where am I? Okay, here we go. So this high took something out, which was the high of the previous day, previous week, anything. We've got nothing. We've got nothing over there. All right. Let's go over here. So this one barely takes out the Monday or Friday high. So it comes down to the Friday high. Also, Monday highs and lows are another one. We can do Monday. Let's do the low on Monday was here. And the high was here. Let's highlight those in green so I can see them. So that's Monday. And this one struggled above Monday. Shot down. All right, so we're here. This is where we are anyway. So we're here and we're aiming. Let me get rid of the fib. That's what's really throwing me off. Okay, so there's our Monday high. And we come up and we fail to bullishly make any moves above it. Come down, come back up into this fair value gap. Cannot get a candle body close above it. And it's right at that Monday morning high. So what we want to do, or that Monday high, and what we want to do is go short from there. I did it again. What we want to do is go short from there and then target the low. Whatever that low is, you can see it, target that low. So we're going to be getting deeper into this, but this is such a simple strategy. You want to see the moves happen at a specific time before the market opens, during the market, but after 10:30, I'm not looking for any trades until we get into the PM session, and then maybe we got to look for a trade there, but it's all about, I want to see it happen at this time, and then I'm going to aim for this high and this low, whatever is significant that is on the chart, that is the next line, right? Whatever that next line is, that's the one that I'm going to shoot for. It is 6:01, and this is why I need hours to do this stuff. I need hours. I need to be able to sit down in the morning with you guys and just sit here and just do TA all day. All day. Because once everything gets flowing, it's a whole different animal. I'm a whole different animal. I'm just saying. But anyways, hopefully you got something out of this. We will expand on this tomorrow morning. We will expand on this tomorrow morning, and we'll get more into it. I think it'll be fun. I think people will enjoy it, and I think you need to hit that like button on your way out, and hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you for being here. I gotta go to work, so I love you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and don't forget to go Piper Academy at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Go watch him, and Alex O Crypto at 4. Yeah, he's 3 for me. So 4:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Watch him every single day, both of them, Monday through Friday. Watch me Monday through Friday, 5:30 in the morning Central Standard Time, 6:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully we can get someday be able to do this a little bit later, but we'll get there, right? All right. But one thing you can do to help me out is share this out. Leave a comment, hit that like button, and yeah, that's going to be it. Join the Discord, follow me on X, links in the description. I love you guys. I appreciate you for being here, and go enjoy your coffee and enjoy your day and enjoy your afternoon or enjoy your evening, wherever you are watching this in the world. I love you. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Peace. Ride the waves. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. And peace.